still our second day here in Amanpulo and lalabas na tayo for merienda. Punta tayo sa clubhouse. Pero before that, I can't stop admiring this kasita talaga. Kitang-kita naman sa likod, oh. Ang ganda. Look at this view. See? To have that view just outside your kasita. Actually, kahit sa loob, tanaw to. Ang ganda, no? Okay, anyway, let's go. Let's have merienda.
I'm gonna do my birthday.
Hindi bawal yung 19.
Okay, nandito na tayo sa clubhouse. Let's check out their merienda for today. What do you have for today? So they still have the sandwich, the fruits, and mongo bread, macaron, ube, biko, kochinta malo. And what's this? Oh. Ano yan, kuya? Halo-halo? Ah, okay. Okay, got our merienda na. So, we have the pandesal with beef tapa, mongo roll. Di ko alam kung ano yung palaman ng sandwich. This is macaroon, then biko, ube pianono, and kutsinta. Try muna natin tong sandwich.
Hello. What?
Egg sandwich, sarap.
Oh, there you are. Let's go.
This one is beef tapa. Like mo na ito.
Yeah, gusto ko.
Gusto mo kahit matamis? Good.
Let's go.
Medyo matamis yung beef tapa niya. Macaroon. Sarap. Ang sarap ng macaron. Kala ko hindi siya ganong masarap kasi sanay ako yung top niya mukhang toasted talaga. Ito kasi hindi gano pero masarap. Let's try the biko. Medyo matigas lang ng konti.
Over here.
Pero magata, masarap.
Boing, boing.
Let's try this. Kutsinta.
Big jump, big jump. Come here.
Parang walang ganong lasa. Na-overpower ata siya nung mga una kong kinain.
Over here.
Okay, let's try the ube pianono roll.
Guys, come here.
It looks so good. Lasang-lasa yung ube. And lastly, mongo roll. Curious ako dito. Parang narinig ko na to dati eh. Di ba din na to sa mga bakery? Mongo roll. Naku, gano'ng malasahan kakaiba. Ah, okay. Ito yung feeling. Tanda ko na to. Kain muna kami. We'll see you later. Okay, tapos na kaming magmerienda. We'll go to the beach club. Upo lang kami doon sa beachfront, basically. That's our plan for this afternoon. And pag hindi na gano'ng mainit, baka maglakad-lakad tayo. Okay, nandito na tayo sa beach club. Upo muna tayo rito and let's wait for the sunset. I hope there's, shade. Mukhang tapat na tapat siya sa araw, ah. Oh my gosh. But ang ganda, right? I think this is the best part of the island. Well, hindi, maganda rin dun sa southern part. Yeah. Pero isa to sa favorite part ko dito. Okay, so masyado pang mainit dun sa mga beach beds, as you can see. Wala talaga siyang shade. So, dito muna tayo sa may restaurant mag-antay. But, look at that view. Okay, so while waiting for sunset, check natin yung dinner menu dito sa Beach Club. So, ayan. Ito yung starters nila. Hindi pa namin alam kung dito kami mamaya or dun sa clubhouse ulit. Tomahawk ribeye, 24K. 1,600 grams. Kasama naman kasi yung doon, yung bone. Okay, so that's their menu. Okay, nandito na kami sa tapat ng beach club, just waiting for the sunset. Hi Cyril, how was your sleep? You okay? Good? Nako, nakapag-recharge na naman si Cyril. So, si Pipoy at saka si Cyril, upo daw muna sila doon. Tayo, try nating maglakad-lakad dito. Lakad tayo ng tingnan mo. Lakarin ba natin hanggang dulo? Naks, ginawang Boracay yan. Hindi tayo makakalakad hanggang dulo kasi mabilis yung pagbaba ng araw. And we have plans in about 50 minutes. So, ayan. Nandyan sila. Lakad lang tayo dito. Golden hour. Mahal dito sa Amanpulo pero for me sulit siya. Grabe. Tingnan mo naman yan. A whole stretch na sobrang white sand. Walang tao. Ang serene. Ang peaceful. Ganda. And I can't get over the water. Antok na si Cyril.
No.
Bored? Why?
Kung nga yan, nakakatulog siya.
Aga mo nag-wake up eh. Do you know what time you woke up this morning? 3 a.m. Tuko! Tuko! Okay, bumaba na yung araw, pero nandito pa kami. Tambay-tambay muna. Ang sarap kasi ang presko, ang hangin. Tapos siguro maya-maya pag dumilim na, tsaka tayo pupunta sa dinner. Di ko alam kung kita ha, pero look at those colors. Grabe. And dito sa other side, medyo madilim na. Okay, tapos na kami rito. Punta na kami sa beach club. Ay, beach club. Sa clubhouse for dinner. Did you like it here, Cyril? Look behind you. Can you paint that? Yeah? Ganda, no? It's so surreal. Alright, we'll see you later. Okay, let's go to the clubhouse. Where's our cart?
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my God, gabi na. At ako na naman mag-isa sa likod.
Daddy, sabi mo, ready, pero you go na. You go na and you said ready?
Ready.
Pakiramdam ko may mga hahabol sa akin eh. Really, pero to the right yun.
Right yun, di ba?
Yeah. Okay, we're here at the clubhouse. Dinner na tayo. Ewan ko kung kita ah. Tingnan mo, ang daming stars. Do you see it, Cyril?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, nandito na tayo sa The Clubhouse. Actually, napakita ko na tong menu sa inyo kahapon, pero pakita na lang din natin ulit. And siguro sa ibang video, share ko yung ibang menu nila sa ibang restaurant. But for tonight, dito ulit namin gusto, and this is the kids menu. So, anong o-orderin natin, Cyril? What are we gonna order?
Crispy pa.
Mga crispy pata again.
I ordered crispy pata.
Crispy pata, okay.
And I try burger sliders.
Okay. Burger sliders. Alright. Okay, nandito na order natin. Like what you've heard, crispy pata ulit ni Cyril. Pero in fairness, ang sarap talaga ng crispy pata nila rito. Grabe. Like, perfect balance of crispy and soft and tender and juicy. And this is, inasal. And order ni Cyril ulit, burger sliders. Are you ready to eat, ma'am? Okay. Okay, here you go. Gonna taste the fries.
Yours, Mommy.
Okay.
This was yours.
The fries are good. Okay, okay. Go.
Di ba pagkati to?
That's wrong.
No, that's not.
I thought it just says burger patty and then
It says there, right? Try it. It's good. There you go. Hold it with 2 hands. You don't like the tomato ba? I'll take it out. Okay, try it. Okay, take out the tomato.
bye bye tomato.
Okay, be careful. I'll take it out. Here you go.
Bacon.
Good? You don't like it? Let me try your sliders. Where is it? This one? This one? Let's try her sliders. Ang sarap nga, baby. Ang juicy. Grabe. Sakto. Gusto ko pa naman ng ano kanina. Ng burger, di ba? Okay. I'll taste that. This is the inasal. Let me taste this one first. Kasi yung crispy pata, alam na natin na masarap. Inasal. Oh my God. Sarap. Ang lambot. Yung char, perfect. Mahal yung food dito, pero ang sarap, quality. Ang mahal. I-judge mo yung ano, crispy pata.
Ay, kagabi na. Yung chicken naman.
Yung chicken, taste mo yung chicken. Try mo muna yung walang sauce. Yan. Oh, di ba? Nakakagulat yung texture niya.
Who tastes the crispy pata now?
Yeah. Oh, why? You wanna give the crispy pata a proper review? Okay, go ahead. How would you describe the crispy pata?
Crispy.
Crispy. So cute.
Yummy.
Okay, kain muna kami. Okay, tapos na kami kumain. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, tapos na kaming mag-dinner. Alam mo dito sa Amanpulo, magagaling mag-memorize yung mga staff dito kasi they know you, no? Kada kakain ka nga rito, they wouldn't even ask you for your kasita number. Basta upo ka na lang, then you order din. Pagkatapos mo, alis ka na. Kasi they know kung sino ka and saan yung kasita mo. And then, para silang ano nga, sabi ko parang ninja. Alam nila kapag wala ka sa room, so doon nila ginagawa yung cleaning. Katulad dito, pag uwi natin, pakita ko sa inyo na tapos na yung turn down service or nakapaglinis na rin sila. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here at the villa. Ay, villa, hindi pala. Kasita lang pala. Okay, nandito na tayo sa kasita. And I'll show you yung itsura niya kapag naka-turn down service na siya. So, ganyan. So, the mood is set. Ayan. Naka-ready na ang bed. Nakapatay na ang lights. And yung blinds, they're down na. And every night, they have a treat or a gift. So, ano yung gift natin for tonight? This is... Oh, let's check what it is. Can you open, Surreal? Request ka. Gusto mo padala ko? What's that? Oh,
Cards.
nice. You like that? Can I check?
Here you go.
Yeah. Yeah. Ito yung mga species nila rito.
Nice.
Nice. Cyril, you like this?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I didn't know it was animals.
Okay, so that's it for today. It was just a chill afternoon. Sana nag-enjoy kayo makita yung facilities nila, the sunset, and our dinner at the clubhouse. So yun lang for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!